Hello, today we will guide you through how to fund Axiom Trade Wallet. To begin, open the Axiom Sol Discover page in your browser. This is the main area where you can access your wallet tools and account options within the platform. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct place and that the top navigation is visible. This will help you move through the funding process smoothly without missing any important controls. Next, look at the top section of the page and find the Deposit option. This is the button you'll use to start adding funds to your Axiom Trade Wallet. Go ahead and click Deposit at the top. If you are new to the platform, this is the section designed specifically for receiving funds. So it's the correct starting point whenever you want to transfer assets into your wallet. After that, click on Deposit again if a deposit panel or pop-up appears. In many cases, the first click opens the funding menu, and the second confirms that you want to proceed with the deposit flow. Just follow the on-screen prompt and continue into the deposit section. Make sure you stay attentive here, since this is the area where your wallet's receiving details will appear. You should now see the option to copy your wallet address. Click Copy Address and then paste that address into the wallet you plan to send funds from. It's important to paste the address carefully and double-check that it matches before sending anything. Even a small mistake in a wallet address can cause a transfer to fail or go to the wrong destination. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the address can help avoid problems later. Once your address has been copied and used in your sending wallet, return to Axiom and click Buy. This option is available if you prefer to fund the wallet through a purchase flow rather than only sending funds from another wallet. Depending on what you need, this can be a convenient way to add funds directly from within the platform. Follow the prompts shown after clicking Buy to continue with that option. And that's the basic process for funding your Axiom Trade Wallet. Start on the Axiom Sol Discover page, open the Deposit section, copy your wallet address for transfers, and use the Buy option if needed. As a final tip, always confirm that you're using the correct network and wallet details before completing any transaction. That extra check can save time and help keep your funds secure.